Han skal fortelle litt hvordan de har det der nede.
Thank you. We are from Swaziland, a country that does not respect workers' rights, a country that is undemocratic, a country that is absolute, is an absolute monarchy. Workers' rights are not respected. Especially Convention 87 of the ILO is not respected. Trade unions are paid to hold meetings. Trade unions, are harassed every day and they are beaten every day. You are from a country like that, where even issues of health and safety are not taken care of by the government, the current system that we are having in the country. And we are saying Swaziland cannot be a political museum where people will go to Swaziland to come and see only the culture at the expense of the people's rights. People must come to Swaziland, and also look at the people's rights. That the king is not respecting the people's right, and really we feel Swaziland must be democratic. I thank you.